Hello Trading Today community, welcome to another exciting video. In this video, I'm going to share another high growth stock with you. I am extremely bullish in this company and I know most of you might know about this company. And you might even think the company is overvalued, but I think this company is undervalued. The company is NIO, N-I-O. This company was founded in 2014. It manufactures and sells electric cars or smart cars. The company in January alone delivered more than 7,000 cars. It has the plan to deliver 300,000 cars per year, which is not far behind Tesla. At the moment, Tesla delivers 500,000 cars per year. The company, analysts believe this company is a buy at its current price, but I believe this company at its current price is an absolute steal. The company has tremendous potential in the future, and as we know, electric cars is the hottest trends in this new decade. The share price of this company, NIO, has risen more than 1,000%. From last year, it was around $2. At the moment, it's around $60. Can you imagine? If you put it 100K, what would be it now? One thing about this company is that it distinguishes it from its competitor is its batteries. The batteries are replaceable, which is, especially if you're in a hurry and the battery runs out, you can easily replace it so you can continue your journey. That makes it a unique selling point for the NIO. Overall, I believe this company is a buy and has tremendous potential in the future. By 2025, I think the share price can easily be around $1,000. So if you invest at this current price, your portfolio will see very big returns in the long run. In the short term, the NIO share price might see volatilities. But in the long run, I am very bullish in this company, and I think the company will do good. As we know, China is largest company. China has a very large population, and they are very committed to make its population to buy electric cars. So NIO not only can benefit from in China, but also they have this ambition to expand in America as well as Europe. So that shows that management is committed to compete against Tesla and other electric car makers to steal the market share from them. Overall, I believe the company is a buy, and again, I emphasize I'm very bullish in this. So it's gonna make you a lot of money, believe me in that. So you will see for yourself if you invest it. Thank you again, and I really appreciate if you could subscribe and hit the button. It will help to grow the channel, and also follow me on Twitter as well as Instagram, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.